Celebrating New York City's rich basketball culture, the Nike Ja 3 NY vs NY is dropping on July 22 via Nike.com for $135. Inspired by the city's intense summer hoops scene and legendary streetball tournaments, this release captures the grit and passion found on NYC's iconic blacktops. Originally unveiled during Nike's SNKRS showcase, the shoe builds on the legacy of previous themed editions like the EYBL and Day One. The design features an all-black upper accented by vibrant hits of orange, blue, and neon green, with a graffiti-style A on the heel and a gradient-trimmed swoosh that adds edge. Built for high performance, the Ja 3 includes zoom cushioning and a grippy outsole designed for quick, explosive movements. While stylish and bold, it's also a nod to the raw intensity of NYC's court battles. Nike's latest Ja Morant sneaker is both a tribute and a tool for the next generation of playground legends.